big up.
I got the blood clean.
I am born.
Are you man?
Yeah, man, that's what I'm born, man.
You born in Jamaica? So you have the accents lock put on for yourself.
But they're on the right people. Them.
Not even in my next life. Could never, would never, will never. You know, if you worry about that, babes. Me just tuck it in sometimes, isn't me? Cause it don't really matter what bad mind people want to say, you know. They can't really stop it.
Alright, mommy, some people are confused when you said you're Jamaican but full Chinese. Can you clarify for them?
Alright, don't be confused. Alright, I'm Jamaican full stop. But my parents were born in China, so I am Chinese. And full Chinese, no mix.
What a lucky thing say with the America look green card. Mommy, what would have happened if they send me back to China? We're not dead.
That's all my father when they wake up.